Are you tired of feeling confused about when to buy or sell? Trading can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Today, I want to show you the free HalfTrend Signal Engine by BigBeluga. It's a tool designed to take the guesswork out of your charts. Look at this line right here. This is your trend guide. When the line is green, the market is moving up. That's your signal to look for buying opportunities. When it turns red, the trend is moving down, and it's time to be cautious or look for selling opportunities. It keeps the big picture clear and easy to follow. It's not just a line, it gives you clear labels directly on your chart. When you see a long label, it means the trend has shifted upward. When you see short, it's telling you the trend is pointing downward. It tells you exactly what to pay attention to, so you don't have to overthink it. We've also added a helpful dashboard in the corner. This shows you the trend for 5 different assets at the same time. You don't have to keep switching between charts to see what's happening. Everything you need to know is right there in one place. And the best part, it helps you manage your trades. It marks your entry point, your stop loss, and your profit targets automatically. You'll even see green check marks appear on your screen when you hit your profit targets. It's a great way to stay disciplined. Plus, you can track your entire performance with the integrated backtest dashboard. It gives you an instant breakdown of your win rate, risk to reward ratio, and total profit, allowing you to refine your strategy with ease. To change your risk per trade, open the indicator settings and define it using the risk input. If you want a clear, simple way to read the market, give this tool a try. It's completely free. You can find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, check out our premium Market Waves toolkit. It breaks down even the most complex charts into simple, actionable insights. It features trend signals with trailing stop losses and dynamic take profits, the flow trend algorithm for macro trend tracking, Volt expands to help you spot market reversals with ease, candlestick patterns, and all of it can be combined with advanced custom alerts, plus many more tools than we can show in a single video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.